Hey, what is up YouTube? This is a video on how to make a Bukkit server for your Minecraft, so whatever people could join and all that. So yeah, let's get started. First, you have to go to a site bukkit.org, and I'm gonna put the site in the description. So yeah, after you're here, it should show this website, and then once it shows the website, then you're all good. If it doesn't, you're on the wrong site. So the only way for it to work is to download from bukkit.org. And then first step, you have to go right here to recommended build, and then it's gonna show like a 4 version you can see on the right here, and then whatever Minecraft version you want it for, you click it right here. Make sure it's highly updated so you don't have to keep updating, and then that's just gonna ruin your server. So yeah, you have to click it right here or right here, like whatever saying. This is the latest build, and that's just the version, like the old version. So yeah, go ahead and click this, and it should take you to this site right here, and then you click download craft bucket. But since I already have it, I'm just gonna download it again to show you what I mean. So when you download it, it should be, and it downloaded right here, like it should be right here. So once you're done, then you just gotta get a new folder. I'm not sure you can see it, but yeah. So you get a new folder, and then just rename it to craft bucket. And once you're done, then you have to go to this site that's gonna show you all the whatever run. You go to this site, and then you download the run command. So yeah, you go to this site where you can download the run command. So just go ahead and download it, and then it should be downloaded right here in your download, and just gonna close that ad. So yeah, once you're done downloading, then all you have to do is just make sure it's right here inside whatever. So I have the craft bucket and the run command. So I move it outside. I have to move it inside that folder, that the new folder that I just made. So let's go ahead and move this run command craft bucket. Then what you have to do is that you have to rename the craft bucket, and then just leave it, like take out all the rest, everything except for the dot jar and except for the craft bucket. So it should be like this craft bucket dot jar, and once it's like that, you're all good. Then you just gotta open the server console. I'm gonna open a new one. Basic. So yeah, once you have your server console, then what you have to do is type CHMOD A+X space. Do not push internet yet. Enter. And then you push you move the run command into here, and then once you move in there, then you push enter, and it should just be like this, like nothing else. It should just say like all this, and if it says that, you're done. Then you could just X that out, and once you're done, then once you're done with everything, you're all good. You just click these. You do not click craft bucket.jar, because that, I don't know, that could ruin it. So yeah, go ahead. I'm gonna highlight this red so you know. And I already opened the console, so everything's all good right here. It's just loading and everything. And then once you're done, then I'm just gonna wait for it to finish. Takes a while. So after that, it should show like all these files here, world and plugin, band, and all that bucket. And then you just gotta wait for that. Yeah. So I'm just gonna pause the record, waiting. Alright, back, and it's finished now. Everything is all good. So yeah, what you have to do is make sure you're gonna have to shut down the server. So type save all. Make sure you do it all right. Save all. Done. And then also you type stop, and it's gonna stop the server. That's what stop command means. So after you type stop, it's gonna be shutting down the server, and then once it shuts down, and then wait for it to finish. Do not just exit out until it says process complete. When it says that, you're all good. And then oh shoot, and that's all you have to do. So you just close that, and then what you have to do is go to server properties. So I'm gonna highlight that red, and then server properties go right here. So you double click it, and it should show all these things right here. So yeah, and then right here it's just MOTD. It's like a message. For example, if you really want people to know what that means, then like I'll talk about that later. And of course, spawn monster, generate structure, view distant. Max players, like how much people who could join server. Game mode is like survival created. 0 survival, 1 is created. Difficulty is just something like peaceful or whatever. I'm not sure what's it yet. Online mode to true and false. But online mode is that if you have a cracked Minecraft and you want to join your old server, then if you have a crack or you want to make a server crack, you type false. So, and then that's what you do. And then once you type false, you're all good. Then crack people who has crack and all that, it's all good. Then spawn animals, yeah. But if you just want people who just bought Minecraft to join, then you change it to true. But I like it false better. Max build height, spawn NPC. NPC is just for NPC plugin. It's like some kind of you spawn like bots, and then that's all. But server IP, you're gonna have to download this site Hamachi. You know, make sure you download Hamachi, and I'm gonna put the download link in the description. So if it's not the right one for your laptop, then you're gonna have to search it up on Google, and I'm sorry about that. So yeah, if you have Hamachi ready, open it up, and then I already have like a server running. So this is if you have to look right here, it should show like a 5 point, like a number at least right here. So what you have to do is copy that, like I'm not sure if I can copy this. Yeah, so I'm just gonna see if that works. So you copy that, and then once you copy it, then you go right here. But I already remember it. So server IP, you type 5.47.41.42. So that's all you do, and then that's all. You don't need to write the rest of the number, like not any of those number right there. You don't need to do those. So you just write all that, and then what you have to do is make sure it's all same, because if it's not same, people cannot join the server when you give it to them. Allow flight is like if you have some kind of hack client or something. Well, I really like those things, so I have like a notice or something. So if you have a hack client, you fly, it allows it. But if you want your server to be anti-cheat, then you leave it as false. So that's all good. Then you make sure you save it, and then you X out, and then you just run your server again. Just wait for it to finish. So right now, since I already have a server running, I'm gonna be changing my IP to something else, local host. I'm just gonna change it for that. But if you just want to make a server for yourself to play offline, then you don't need to do anything. So all you have to do is just if you just want to make it for yourself, then you just name it localhost and put in the IP on Minecraft. So I'm gonna open Minecraft right now and then put in localhost, and that's all. Alright, and after that you just log in. If I have crack and premium, so I'm just using crack because it's faster. And yeah, after that I'm gonna add a server, localhost. And once I do that, it should be on right now. It should be on, like right here it says localhost. You can't see shit. Okay, so yeah, it should. This is the server that I just created right now, a Minecraft server. So a Minecraft server is right here. It should say. I'm gonna go to server properties. Alright, so this says a Minecraft server. That's the MOTD. So if you name it to something like something like that, then you save it, and then what you have to do is you have to reload your server, and it should reload complete, and then you refresh it. It should say, yeah, I don't know why it's not saying it, but yeah, it should when you do something like that. So what you have to do is like you just join. Oh shit, hang on, wrong server. So yeah, you just join, and then what you have to do is like a server online mode default. It means for crack. So I'm showing you that it's crack user know that could join, and you're all good. Everything is good. And then if you need more help, I could help you out with whatever thing you need, like how to install plugins. I really don't know how to use Group Manager yet, so I'm just finding out how. But yeah, everything's all good here, and then once you create it, it's all good. So if you want to put like a new map or something, then you could just replace the world map or something. So yeah, everything's all good. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and if you need more help, like you don't really know the step, then I can just help you out. But I think I might be missing on some of the steps. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and rate. Thanks.